Hi, welcome to this week's all-in-one tip video, sponsored by the HP Z1 workstation and presented by Catalyst. I'm Kurt Marino, CAD manager and blogger for the Kung Fu Drafter, and this week we've got some quick and easy tips for AutoCAD users, Civil 3D users, and a career tip we can all use. So let's get right to it. Our first tip is for AutoCAD users. Each new release of AutoCAD brings new and improved tools to the table, and layer controls are more powerful now than ever before and can even be changed on a per viewport basis. In the left viewport, we see line work that is displayed according to the initial layer settings for color, line type, and line weight. However, after we enter the second viewport and open the Layer Manager, we can make some viewport-specific changes. To access these settings, we just have to scroll all the way to the right in the Layer Manager. Now we have access to viewport-specific freeze, color, line type, line weight, transparency, and even plot style settings. Saving line work on a per viewport basis can save you plenty of time and energy, so be sure to explore all of the viewport-specific layer tools and discover how they work best for you. Our second tip is for Civil 3D users. Whether you're working with external references, data references, or drawing specific information, keeping things in order is very important. Thankfully, Civil 3D provides us with plenty of opportunities for internal documentation. At the very least, you should take the time to name and identify your AEC objects. Doing so is going to make working with your projects much easier for you and others in the future. For instance, we have a much easier time identifying a given surface from this list of surfaces in the prospector if the surface has a specific and informative name. Take it from us. You're going to appreciate a surface that's named infield grading much more than surface 33 when you're in a pinch. Before we get to our last tip, we'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsor. This week's all-in-one tip is sponsored by the new HP Z1, the world's first all-in-one 27-inch workstation. The HP Z1's revolutionary design incorporates all system components within a 27-inch display that opens to let you swap parts and make upgrades without the need for tools. Visit hp.com/Z1 for more information on the all-new Z1. And now for our final tip. Even as social network becomes bigger and bigger, too many CAD professionals still seem to exist in relative isolation. But it doesn't have to be that way. Organizations like Augie, local user groups, and events like Autodesk University provide great opportunities for networking. Networking is about more than just collecting business cards. Networking is about making connections and becoming part of a community. This can be hugely helpful when you run up against project issues that go beyond your experience and you need some help. So attend a local user group, meet some other CAD professionals on Twitter, or join some groups on LinkedIn. However you do it, start building your professional network today. Thanks for watching this week's Catalyst all-in-one tip video, and thanks again to our sponsor, the HP Z1 workstation.